Hey, this is Xavier, and I'm in front of a Sprinter Cab Chassis with the Knapheide utility service body. And this is a white truck. It's designed for, I'm just going to show you, open it up a little bit. It is designed for HVAC companies, plumbing, electrical companies, even mobile service technicians. I'm going to open up a few of these cargo areas just to see the versatility on it. And again, it is a Knapheide bed, right? And they're known for its durability, its efficiency in terms of space. There's a little bit of a bed here. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. I'm going to show you the tailgate, and I'll fold that down. So, and it does have a tow hitch. So a very versatile work truck. If you want additional details on this one, it will be in my video description. Thank you for watching.